Norgon's Truck Checkup makes it easy to complete inspections required by CARB's Clean Truck Check Act. First, technicians connect their diagnostic laptop to the truck using a Norgon DLA Plus 3.0 adapter. Next, they input their CARB-provided tester credentials and vehicle details, and then hit the Connect button, and Truck Checkup does all the work. The application scans the vehicle and sends all pertinent details to CARB for a pass-fail determination. Technicians will receive an email directly from CARB with the results. And if you do run into issues, Norgon's US-based product specialists are happy to assist. It's that simple to remain compliant. Head to Norgon.com today to download Truck Checkup and try it for yourself.